In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to finesse shot in EFC 24 Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you tips on how to perform the finesse shot and how to get more success while doing so. So first, for you to actually perform the finesse shot, position yourself. Ideally, aim to be at a slight angle, usually 30 or 45 degrees from the goal for the best curl possible. And for the button combination, which is what most people are looking for, hold down the right bumper, which is going to be the modifier, and then press the B button to actually shoot the ball, and you will be able to perform the finesse shot. So to summarize it all, aim to be at a slight angle from the goal, and hold it down the right bumper. Afterwards, press B to shoot, and you will be able to perform the finesse shot. Now, for the tips that I mentioned previously, for you to get more success on the finesse shot, look for players with the finesse shot or finesse shot plus playstyle. These will have a higher chance of scoring these finesse shots due to better accuracy and curl. For the power, by pressing the B button, use the power bar to control the shot's power. A finesse shot typically requires less power than a full-blown blast. Aim for 2 or 3 bars on the power bar. For the best accuracy and curl, try to achieve green timing on the shot meter. This involves hitting the shoot button again precisely when the bar turns green. And for the distance, they are going to be more effective from outside the penalty area. They allow you to curve the ball around defenders and goalkeepers. So it's very important that you get that slide angle just outside with the proper distance. And for a clear or a clean finesse shot, try to create some space between yourself and the defenders. I hope I was able to help you on how to finesse shot in EAFC 24 Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.